Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to remove videos from a playlist on YouTube. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to the YouTube app, open it, and go to the playlist where you want, from where you want to delete the video. For example, I will choose this playlists here, playlist called English videos. You have to click on it. And after that, you should have to go to the video that you want to delete from that playlist. Click on the three dots next to it. And after that, click on remove from English videos, for example, for me. But for you, it will be remove from, and after that, the name of the playlist from where you want to delete that video. I will click on it. And as you can see, that video is removed from that playlist. And that's it. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.